Oh shit. What is up, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. So today is an unusual day, you know. It's 8 a.m. I usually never go out go to work this early, but today I decided, you know, to go out to get to work a bit early to get some breakfast. Now I usually don't have breakfast because I'm fasting. I have a 12-hour I have a 16-hour fasting from 8 to 12, so I don't eat breakfast. Trying to lose some weight, trying to cut some fat, but today is gonna be a different day. I'm decided to take you guys on a breakfast trip. So when you talk about Vietnam, you already know about the pho or the bánh mì, but today I'm gonna take you guys for some bún, vermicelli noodles. The thing about Vietnam is that no matter where you go, you always find a street vendor selling some breakfast, some good ass breakfast. So you don't have to go to a certain place for a certain food. And everything is good. Really, it is depend on your own taste, but everything here is roughly the same. Just a different presentation, and you know, in every corner here in Hanoi City you will find something to eat. And the other special things about the food here is that it's not just breakfast. You can eat it for lunch or dinner. It doesn't matter, you know. It's a very versatile food choice. So you can have bánh mì for breakfast, lunch and dinner if you really like it that much. Otherwise, you can even have rice for breakfast, you know, but that is not so common here to have rice for breakfast. But you know, lunch and dinner, yeah, you can have some rice. Usually people go for something light on for the breakfast. So we're gonna go to a joint. This place is kind of famous, I guess, but I just go here because it is close to my house. Well, it's not that close. About 5 meters from my house there's a bún riêu stand, but I'm trying to take a different route here. Right now we're heading to Quang Trung Street. It is one of the main street here in Hanoi City. I mean, every street here is the main street, but no, this is kind of main of the main. Let's see if she's open, because the thing about 1 year without a breakfast, you don't know that your favorite breakfast stand is still open, you know, or they might close after the COVID hit. A lot of small vendor can't stay after the COVID hit because the demand is too low, so they need to figure out something else to do, you know, to make some income. Okay, so she is open. Ugh. Cho con bát thập cẩm nhiều bún quá nhá.
Ăn mắm tôm không?
Có ạ. Okay, so we just have breakfast, which is a hot and steamy crab noodles. The thing about me is that I tend to go over with the chili oil, so it is pretty hot, and it's burning my mouth, and I'm sweating. Oh man, but it's good though. So here's the place. Bún riêu cua. That's the name of it. Whew. I need some wind. Touch my skin. Wow. Always get me. Chili oil. The hot red thing that create more depth of food, of flavor in your meal, but it is gonna get you at the end. Like me, now I'm sweating. I just take a morning shower, so I feel great, but now everything seems to collapse because whew, it is hot and I'm sweating like a pig. Oh, so let's talk about the plate, as we see one right here. Number plate to be exact. In Vietnam we have couple type of different number plate, but if you separate by the color, we have three main type of number plate. So we got the regular one, which is the white one and black number. That is the everyone's number plate. So if you're just a regular citizen, you buy a vehicle, that is what you get. For car, motorcycle and e-bike, in some cases, like that one is white background with a black text on it, black number. The second one that we just saw with that car, that white Camry, is the blue one. That is for the government vehicle, like police and the escort car, escort bike for the government. So it is a blue number plate with white leather on it. And this one right here is the yellow number plate with the black leather on it, which is a like taxis. Yeah, taxis, Uber, Grab, and everything that is transportation and is hireable. And the last one is the red number plate. Now that is a different country on its own. Red number plate is for the military vehicle. Any type of vehicle with a red number plate on it is a property of the military. even bikes, cars, buses. So that's like that's the four main number plate here in Vietnam. Of course, we have some more, but it's not gonna be distinguished as those four. It's usually just white background with black text, but with some twist and take on it to make it for a company or for a ambassador or something like that. Usually we go to the tunnel down here, but today we're going on the top part of the tunnel. We don't go down there anymore because we take a different route today, but with the same ending right here. It's all traffic jam, a bunch of it. I'm gonna take a right here, sneak around to avoid the red light. It's about to come in. Sneak around. This is a good blind spot right here with a school. A lot of hard turn with not good visibility. That's the thing about Vietnam over here. We will have a lot of small alley. There are a lot of things going on, but not a lot of vision, not a lot of visibility. So you can't tell what is going on. So you need to go slow. Oh man, my nose running now. Just for 5 minutes of pleasure to eat the food with some hot chili oil, and now I'm paying the price. Nose running, sweating. Even though with an open visor like I have right now, still hot. Woo! Need to put some wind in it, you know, cool me down. Now you know what's go good when you get hot. Some iced tea. So that's what I'm gonna do right now. I'm gonna go to work. I'm gonna park my bike, and then I'm gonna go for some iced tea. Nice cold iced tea. For a sunny day, wearing a black shirt is not helping at all. It's just cooking my back, and my back is already sweaty. Now the sweat is evaporating. I mean, damn. I don't know if it's good or not. But the sun is behind me now. It is cooking my back, burning it. And I have a test ride this weekend on the Aprilia 660. So I'm gonna make a few calls to make the test ride is as smooth as possible. I'm not planning to get the new Aprilia 660, but you know, it's not hurting anyone to give it a test ride, you know. So the brand have a test ride day, so you sign up online and get there and do a bit of riding, you know, and talk with the people over there about the bike, which is fun, I guess. I go to a KTM test ride one, the KTM 790 Adventure. But it is raining that day, so there's not a lot of people there. It is pretty sad. Even the employee seems sad because nobody there. But I get to ride a bike like 20 minutes, even though you're supposed to ride it for 5 minutes and then come back. Okay, I'm gonna head to work now. Bye.